Alright, so we're going to do our next and last test here for these sets. This is a board of Redwood. It's real Redwood, Sequoia, sempervirens. Okay, as you can see the Latin name. Okay. This board has never been used. So this is a first time test. Our spindle today is Sneezeweed. That's probably a new one for a bunch of you. Helenium autumnal. And I got a bunch of these from our old neighbor. He had a whole grove of these in his backyard near his shed, and he said I was welcome to cut them all down gladly. And they've made some very fine hand drills over the years. So I'm going to take a piece of paper towel, shove that in there, raise up the floor. Okay, this has never been used, as you can see, this spindle and this board, so this is new. This one has a slight bend in it, but it's still a good quality spindle. Got some squeaking. I'm going to add a little pressure. Okay, now we have friction. Just had to get through that squeak. So, just floating at the top. We're going for speed and rotations, as much rotations as you can get. Over time, just keep going. I'm going to do one run down just to finish it off. And let's have a look. Hardly had to try for that one. That was a good one. Alright, and then when you're done, this goes back in its case. The bento box style base case to be protected. So you can step on it, walk on it. Keeps everything safe. Alright? Alright, thanks for watching.